रोशनी रोशनी उम्मीद है तामीर दाए रोशनी उम्मीद है
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning, dear students. Dear students, today we are going to finish our first chapter, what is science, and we have exercise work detailed questions. Okay, now here we have exercise work. Question number 2, answer the following questions in detail. The first one is describe a scientific method of investigation with the help of a flowchart. So dear students, look at the picture. It's a flowchart of scientific method. The first one step in scientific investigation is to ask a question. And these thoughtful questions come from observation using all the 5 senses. And to answer this question, information is gathered, information is collected in the form of facts, and this collection of facts is called data. After asking a question, second step is forming a hypothesis, forming a possible answer. So after collecting data, a statement is formulated, and this statement is called a hypothesis, a possible answer. Now, for testing the hypothesis, here we have third one step, testing a hypothesis, that either the hypothesis is true or false. The next step in scientific method is to check the hypothesis. In such cases, the hypothesis is tested by making detailed observation. After testing a hypothesis, step 4 is analyzing results. Data is collected after the completion of the experiments. So in the next step, data is analyzed, data is tested, and the results are presented in the form of graphs and tables. After analyzing result, step 5 is about drawing conclusions. Means the result of experiment may or may not support the hypothesis, and whenever if the results support the hypothesis, so it means our investigation is on the right track. So the last step is communicating results. If the results support the hypothesis and we have a very well defined experimentation, so after that successful experimentation, the results are shared with everyone in written form. Question number 2, how does a microscope work? Answer is, light from the light source is focused, is placed on the object, on that object which is placed on the stage of microscope for observing. So the objective lens magnifies the image of the object. Magnifies mean enlarge the image of the object. After that enlarged image observes through an eyepiece. Answer of question number 2, how does a microscope work, is light from the light source is focused on the object placed on the stage of microscope. The objective lens magnifies the image of the object. Enlarged image observes through an eyepiece. Question 3 and last question of detailed question is, how has science improved our lives? Answer is, science has enormous means infinite influence means effect. Science has enormous influence on our lives. Science provides means it provides the basis of modern technology, modern methods, the tools, the materials, the techniques, and the source of power that make our lives and our work easier for us. Along with this, the discoveries of scientists also helped to shape our views, to shape our ideas about ourselves and our place in this universe. The discoveries of scientists also help to shape our views about ourselves and our place in the universe. So dear students, by this way science improved our lives. Dear students, Learn and write these 3 detailed questions of chapter number 1 on your notebook neat and clean. Must remember me in your precious prayers. Best of luck. God bless you all. Take care and Khuda Hafiz.